In this tutorial, it'll guide you step by step how trading on Blofin works. If you want to claim up the best sign-up bonus available, make sure to use the first link in the description. It will take you directly to the registration page, where you can claim up to 5,000 in bonuses. Creating your account is simple. Just enter your email address, set a password, and complete the sign-up. Once you log in for the first time, you will arrive at the main dashboard, where we can begin. The first step in trading is to fund your account. To deposit crypto, go to here and click Deposit. Here you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Blofin support many coins, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. I usually deposit in USDT, since that's the main currency we will need for trading futures. Next, pick your preferred network. For example, I often use Solana because the transaction fees are very low. And once you select the network, Blofin will generate your personal deposit address. Simply copy that address and send your crypto to it. Of course, you can follow the same process with other supported cryptocurrencies. If you don't already have crypto, you can deposit using fiat currency. Go to buy crypto right here, select your currency, for example USD, and enter the amount you like to purchase right here. Then choose USDT as the coin to buy. Blofin will automatically convert your fiat into USDT and credit it to your account. Below you will see a list of payment providers such as MasterCard. Each one offers different payment methods. Once you confirm your purchase through one of them, your USDT will appear in your Blofin wallet within a few minutes. Keep in mind, this method usually has slightly higher fees and lower limits. If you're planning to deposit larger amounts, there are better alternatives, but this option works well if you just want to get started quickly. And now that you have USDT, the next step is to transfer it to your futures account. Go to right here, select transfer, select USDT, choose funding to USDTM, all, and click confirm. You will now see your balance available in your futures wallet. Alright, so you want to click on futures to open the trading interface. Right here, futures USDTM. Let's take a quick tour of what you will see. At the top, you can select the trading pair which you want, such as Bitcoin or ETH. In the middle, you see the price chart, which is powered by TradingView and includes different time frames right here and charting tools. On the right, you will find the order book showing active buy and sell orders. Below the chart, you will be able to view your open positions, your trading history, and any active orders. And finally, on the right hand panel, you will control all the trade settings, like leverage, your margin mode, what your size is, and also take profit and a stop loss. Let's walk you through opening a trade. The first thing you want to do is select your margin mode. I recommend using an isolated margin, which limits your risk to just the funds you put in that trade. Next, choose your leverage. For example, I will use 20x leverage on this trade. Then, decide if you want to use a limit order or a market order. A market order executes instantly at the current price, and a limit order you can open at the price you want. So for example, if you want it to go lower first before you want to buy, you can place a limit order right here. You can also do this and add a limit order. Now, after that, enter the size you want to put into the trade. For example, I want to use 25% of my portfolio. Before confirming the trade, always set a take profit and a stop loss right here. For example, you might want to aim for a $50 in profit and limit your risk to only a $15 lose. Blofin will automatically calculate the price levels for you. This step is crucial because it manages both your profit target and your risk automatically. Now, once your trade is open, like right here, you will see it displayed directly on the chart. The entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit will all be visible. So here's my take profit, here's my stop loss, and here's my entry size. Scrolling down, you will also see all detailed information about your trade, including your position size, margin used, current profit and loss, and liquidation price right here. Remember, you cannot lose more than the margin you put into a trade. However, if you don't use a stop loss, your trade could get liquidated at that price level, meaning you lose the entire margin. This is why setting a stop loss is so important. If you want to change your take profit or stop loss later, you can easily do that. You can drag the take profit, for example here higher, or the stop loss lower. Or even cancel right here and create new ones. This flexibility allows you to manage your trades as the market moves. When you're ready to close your trade, you can scroll down and select how much you want to close. So for example, right here, I want to close 25%. Or Maybe I want to close 50%. Or maybe I just want to close the entire position. Choose market if you want to exit immediately and then click close. And your position will be closed right away. And that's the full walkthrough of how to trade futures on Blofin. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up, use the link in the description to claim up to 5,000 in bonuses. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.